Coming out to me, Goat. It really means a lot that you'd share something so personal about you with me. I support you and any choices you make. Hey! Do you know who else would support you? The Unity team at Rowe. The Unity team is a safe place for LGBTQ plus students and allies to meet, talk, support one another, and plan school activities. All students of all gender orientations and sexual orientations are welcome to join. We meet after school every Wednesday in Miss Perpich's room at 108. Our first meeting will be Wednesday, October 10th, right after school until 5:10. To sign up, register for the after-school programs and meet in cafeteria by 4:12 on Wednesday. Snacks and a bus ride home are available. See you there.